Hey, manicurists and nail artists. Make your social networks more beautiful, organized, attractive and professional with Canva Manicures and nail artists. Save time with ready-made posts. You can't seem to be able to create daily posts for social media and feel uncreative? Does it take you hours and lots of thinking to create an engaging post? It seems like coming up with good quality content is near impossible. You just post random pics and often goes for days with no interesting new posts. We have the perfect solution for you. Boost your business with engaging content, grow your audience and turn followers into paying customers. Imagine how different your business would be if you could create eye-catching designs that get shared and boosts your engagement, without it taking tons of time and energy. Spend less time designing your content and more time growing your business. Share engaging content that pleases your audience without compromising on quality. Imagine bringing consistent sales from social media rather than experiencing another month of disappointment. Get 140 plus arts ready and editable in seconds. Lot your customer agenda and have a professional profile. Canva Manicures and nail artists with more than 140 arts ready for you to post in less than 5 minutes. They are amazing and fully editable arts for you to create and post in minutes. Check out what you will receive. What's inside this bundle? Get instant access to 140 plus Canva templates that can be 100% edited. Instagram/Facebook posts. Instagram/Facebook stories. Instagram highlight covers. Plus bonus. Color palette suggestions. Digital business card bio link. Video lessons on how to download and edit your templates. Download once, use forever. There's no subscription required. Pay once for the templates and you have lifetime access. No more wasting time or spending an absurd amount to keep your Instagram professional. This product is very cheap. It fits in your pocket. Enjoy while promotional prices are still available. Click right now on the link in the video description and get your pack Canva. Your art's created and posted in 3 minutes, then reach more people on your social networks through Canva Manicures and nail artists. Right now, Pack Canva has a 7-day warranty, so you can buy with peace of mind. You can cancel your purchase if you are not satisfied with our products. A very important warning for you: do not trust by the pack outside the official site, so always buy through the official site, where you are entitled to all the guarantees offered by the producer. So I made this video to help you, so you do not have to go through headache. I will leave the link of the official website in the description of the video for you to acquire your product. I hope I helped you and made it clear to you about Canva Manicures and nail artists. Good. If the video was useful for you, leave a like and share with a friend. If you have questions, leave in the comments. I will be happy to help you until the next video.